Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we have a very cool question from AppSumo. I want to print a QR code on a flyer. Once the customer scans the QR code, they must enter first name, last name, etc. And then we send a message with a link. There are things you can do, others you cannot. First, if you want to try, you can do it now. You can scan this QR code and you will see the process as described in the question. Let's see, how this works, how you can use it, etc. First, the QR code. Each widget has its own QR code. That's by default for all the widgets. The moment you create a widget, you have a QR code. This QR code is something you can print, it's something you can scan, it's something anyone can take the phone and just scan, and they will go to their to the landing page. They have the form already as this one. So the user is going to is going to be requested to fill up the information. The link in the QR code is for the landing page, for this landing page. Okay, so I'm going to scan. I'm going to see this pop-up with the question. So I'm going to put my information. And what happens after I submit the lead information? I'm going to have this welcome message. In this welcome message, I have, hey, I want more information about this deal. Okay, and there is a link to the website. And also we have the information from the user. Okay. Let's say this is going to be the normal behavior. The user is going to send the information. The user is going to have the link and the information about the form they submit. Okay, straightforward, easy, it works. Very simple, automated. You don't need to do anything. It's very, very simple. And what is important here, I think, is to be very clear about the mechanics of the promotion. In this case, we are saying for once, do something smart with your money. Fill up the form for more information, or fill up the form to get this lead magnet. You're not going to use lead magnet, but you know what I'm saying. Fill up the form to get this coupon, or fill up the form to get access to this group, or anything. You can put anything in the welcome message. So step number one, we create a widget. Okay, that's clear, works. You have the QR code, very simple. Step number two, in the agent, we need to create the form that is going to be filled by the user. The user needs to fill up this information. Okay, the same, very simple, easy, you know how to do it. Then in the agent profile, we need to have in the default message, that's the message the user is going to send to us by default, we need to put the information we want to, the user to have access. So in this case, hey, I want more information about this deal, and we put the link to the promotion, coupon, group, anything you want. If you want to add an attachment, you can do it here. You can attach a file, a PDF, something like that. That's something you can add. Okay, so this is something you can do here. If you want to make the message a bit more personalized, you can use the fields like name or title of the page. You can use the variables in the form in the message. That's if you want to do something a bit more personal. And finally, you can include in the email notification for the agent the source of the lead. This lead is coming from the QR code. Okay, so this is for you to figure out how you want to manage this promotion, offering, something like that. So, what is automated here? We have a form, we have a landing page, we have a QR code. The user is going to fill up, the user is going to get a message in the follow-up to WhatsApp. I know what you want. This is not what you want, okay? You want something else, but this is what you have right away, okay? No API, no templates, no nothing, okay? Straightforward, simple, etc. If you want to do what I think you want to do, that is, I fill up this, and after that, I get a message from some number with a template, okay? I know that's what you want. What that requires? That requires to have WhatsApp API, that requires to have templates, that requires to have payment. You need to pay for each template, for each message you send. So this is very complex, expensive, for what I think you need. So I think you can do something that is more simple, that is more, easy to use. We prefer to go, a simpler route for, for everyone. This is an example that I'm going to make another video after this one. This is an API account, okay? And this is a template. The template is sent automatically after some event. For example, filling up a form. The issue, you need to pay, you need an API account, you need a template that is being approved by Meta. So, the onboarding process just to get here is 10 times more complex. You can do it if you want. We can help you if you want, but it's 10 times more complex, 10 times more expensive. Well, 1,000 times more expensive than the process we are sharing here. I know it's less elegant. I know it's less, let's say, I don't know, nice, we can say, but it works, it's effective, and it's going to get the job done. Okay. About the welcome message, there is something else you can configure, and it's here. Okay. In this agents section, you can define what you want to send, in this first message. Just the welcome message, and the form data. Form data and then welcome message. This is just because some people, ask for crazy things and we do it. Or just the form data. In this case, you can leave only, the welcome message. You don't need to send the form data. So that's something you can do. If you want, that's something you can do. So what is going to happen? The same. It's going to be the same process. I'm going to scan the QR code. The QR code, you can download it from here. You can copy the image, very simple. You put it in your flyer, off you go. And then, we fill up the form. Eye contact. Yes, we are going to exit. Now, this message is a bit different. Okay, as you can see, instead of name, WhatsApp number, it's only the welcome message. That's it. Super simple, straightforward, very simple. I think any user is going to understand what's going on. So this is not a crazy message. People don't understand. It's very straightforward, and that's it. You get the job done. Okay. You want a QR code that you can print. Also, our QR code, because there is crappy people everywhere. No, I mean the free QR code guys is like the QR code only lasts, I don't know, 2 weeks, something. Like it's so special that we make it only for 2 weeks. Like otherwise you need to pay. It's like, I mean, come on. Our QR codes are there forever. Okay, the QR code is never going to expire. It's going to be there for you forever. So go ahead. So you have a QR code, you have the form, you have the database, you have the CRM, you have the webhook, white label, you name it. The user is going to receive it and it's going to have the message, everything included, lifetime deal, go for it. Okay. Hope you like it. This is for you. Thank you. And please, in AppSumo, you can make questions. We check the questions and we do updates as we go. Or maybe there is something that is already there, but you need some, video like this one to understand how to use it. Okay. So hope you like it. Thank you. Bye-bye.